Let's solve for x here, given x plus y equals 25 and xy equals 5. Okay, so let's label the first one as equation 1 and the second one as equation 2. So let's make one of the variable from equation 1 the subject. So from 1, so I want to make y the subject. So y is the same as 25 minus x. So that will be the third equation. Now let's put 3 in 2. So 3 in 2. So that will be, so x then y. So we have x times y, but y is this 25 minus x equals 5. So let's expand this. That will be 25x minus x squared minus x squared equals to 5. Alright, so we have this. Now let's arrange this. Okay, it's a quadratic equation, so let's send everything to the right. That will be x squared minus 25x plus 5 equals to 0. Alright, now let's solve this one with the method of computing of squares. Okay, so let's compute the square of this. Now, first of all, let's write this one as x squared minus 25x equals to negative 5. So we will take half of coefficient of x, that is half of minus 25 all squared. So that will be minus 25 on 2. So have x squared minus 25x plus minus 25 on 2 squared minus 25 on 2 squared minus 5. So we have added this one to both sides of the equation. Alright, so from here, this one and this all squared, x minus 2, 5 all squared is the same as this. So if I expand this, I'll get this. So let's square this. So we have negative, okay, the negative in the bracket will be positive. Okay, so 25 squared will be 625 on 4 minus 5. Okay, so 625 on 4 minus 5 on the calculator. So we have x minus 25 on 2 and have 605 on 4. Okay, so the next thing is to remove this part here. So we take square root on both sides. So that is x minus 25 on 2 all squared. Take square root and square root of 605 on 4. Alright, now from here, this one will cancel this. So we have x minus 25 on 2 equals to plus or minus. So this one can be written as square root of 605 and square root of 4. So from here, x equals to 25 on 2 plus or minus So we have square root of 605 on 2. This side is 2. Okay. Now, from here, my x will be 25, okay, plus square root of 605 on 2, or 25 minus square root of 605 on 2. Alright, so these are the solutions. Okay, now let's look for the y values since this one is for x. So let's go back as we record this. Okay, y equals 25 minus x. Y equals to 25 minus x. But now x1, okay, x1 is 25, okay, 25 plus 605, square root of 605 on 2. So okay, it's plus or minus that. So let's look for the first one. Okay, so this one is x1, x2. When x1 is plus, so that will be y equals to 25 plus, so 25, oh sorry, this side is minus. So and this side is, we are taking the plus 605 on 2. So let's make this side for 1 and find the LCM. 2, 1 and 2, 2 times 50 minus, you have 25 plus 605. So that will be 50 minus 25 minus square root of 605 on 2. And that will be, so this side will be 25 minus square root of 605 on 2. So when x is plus, okay, when x is plus, y will be this. Okay, so let's look at the other one. Y equals 25 minus x. Now when x is 25 minus 605 on 2. So let's observe this. So that will be y equals 25 minus 25 minus that on 2. So let's make this side over 1. 2, 50. So minus 25 plus 605. So we have 25 plus square root of that on 2. So we can say the answers are symmetrical. If this side is minus, this side will be plus, and if this side is plus, this side will be minus. All right, so that's that.